Hi everyone, this is Suanja.
And this is Isaiah, Princess Isaiah.
Welcome to
Happy Fifi.
and today we're going to talk about how nature have designed our body to eat healthy. Right, Izinga? Alright, let me talk. Hey, sing a little bit. Yes, nature have designed our body to eat healthy. Okay? Just for a minute. Ooh. Okay, so nature have designed our body to eat healthy. And if we look into ourselves, we going to know that for true. So our teeth, we're talking about our teeth first, are built to grind mostly high fiber foods such as whole grain, seed, leafy green, and roots. 20 out of 30 teeth are grinding mollusks. Okay, so our teeth have designed to eat mostly high fiber food such as whole grain and leafy green. It's just amazing to know that nature, how our body have designed, nature have designed our body in that way. And our body, our teeth didn't design for grind up no meat whatsoever. I'm sorry to say it, but it's true. Okay, our teeth have not designed to grind up and meat, oxtail whatsoever. Okay? Now, our internal organ. How our internal organ function? Our internal organ function very smoothly on grain and beans and vegetable diet. Complex carbohydrate regulate our blood sugar and provide steady energy. Our internal organ. But on a diet rich in fat, protein, sugar, and salt, organs such as the kidney, the liver, the gallbladder, and the heart often become weak, sluggish, depleted our vitality and lead to illnesses. Okay? That's our internal organ. Our intestine are self-regulating, cleansing, and high fiber diet. But a typical American low fiber diet leads to sluggishness, gassy, and we are susceptibility to colon cancer, any sort of cancer. You know, it's so amazing to know that me myself, I got really carried away with American diet. It's like you come to America and all you could see is Burger King, McDonald's, Wendy's, Subway, all these signs, and you feel like, oh wow, it's just like you're eating you're eating rich food, but back home when my mom used to give me like porridge and banana and these food that nourishment for my body, I used to feel like, oh, I was so poor. It's like, oh, I don't want that oatmeal, I don't want the banana, I don't want those kind of food. It's like I wanted French fries, McDonald's, I mean, French fries in McDonald's and Subway and all this sort of food, and make me feel like, oh, I was rich. I feel like I'm eating, you know, I'm eating something. It's like really amazing to see how, it, you know, it, in my experience, it happened to really, that Jah Rastafari show me what I was having before I came here was better for me than what was better for me than what I came here and embraced. So thank God, I know, I'm glad I got out of that habit and try to adapt back to a plant-based diet. You understand? So anyway, we're going to talk about helpful bacteria. Helpful bacteria strive in our intestine and grain-based diet, but those die off and are replaced by unhealthy microorganism when we eat too much fat. You hear? They are they are replaced. Those healthy bacteria are replaced when we eat high fat, sugar, meat, and chemical. Fermented bacteria, fermented food help to renew a healthy bacteria population. So you see, we are replacing our healthy bacteria by eating unhealthy food. We are replacing our healthy bacteria inside our intestine. It's just like, you know, this is so true. You know, you think about it. I mean, when you eating these kind of food, you're not really thinking about it. But when you out of it and you see, like, real, like, that's how I was back then. That's how I was eating back then. That's the one that I was feeling this way. What's the difference? It's like, you know, you feeling a different when you are on a plant-based diet and when you eating a high-fat diet. It's like you're not gonna know until you try to eat a plant-based diet. You're not gonna know. And it's your experience to experience that. So this is why I'm promoting plant-based diet right through in that movement. Now, our blood. How our blood flow? Our blood flow freely. Hear this. Our blood flow freely and low fat, low sugar, diet high fat meal, a diet that high in fat meal by conscious make our blood thick. A diet that high in fat meal make our blood thick and sludgy. Okay, like sludgy. Our sugar weaken and thin out the blood. It's like when I read this, I have to say, no, I have to do a tape on this documentary here. You know, and this book that I'm reading from is a self-healing cookbook. Okay? By Christina Turner. It's like, you know, it's like so amazed to see how our body have been designed. Nature have been designed our body to eat whole grain and leafy green. And a lot of people think, well, oh, how do you get your your protein? Everyone asks. It doesn't matter how much people I talk to per day. No, not yet. How much people I talk to per day. Then, and I told them about plant-based diet. First thing that come out of the mouth is like, how do you get your protein? Well, for your information, if you think about this, is the gorilla, the elephant, You ask them when they're out in the jungle, they're so strong and mighty and living on freely. They don't go around and they're eating people meat. And they're eating meat. They live off of plants. And they survive. So like what Dr. Sebi said, protein is a myth. And we need to know that. Okay? Being on a plant-based diet is the best thing ever happened to me. I mean, I'm full of so much energy. I'm more making better decisions. You know? Because like certain things happen, it's like, to me, I'm like, why did this happen? Why did I make this decision? Why? It's because my mind was cloudy with animal product. You understand? And this is what's happened. And I'm promoting a plant-based diet and right through. And so a whole grain evolved on this planet is, to me, is the best thing ever. Okay? It's the best thing ever. Because we're gonna save our planet, our human race, and we're gonna be connected to nature. And when you thought about how the slaughtering the animals is unbelievable. You understand? It's just unbelievable. So our body have designed by nature to eat whole grain and leafy green. You understand? Fruits and vegetables, and not like meat and dairy. And I'm not saying stop eating meat, stop eating your pork and your chicken and stuff. You just can't just get up one day and jump off and say, okay, I'm gonna go do this. It takes time. You cut down slowly. You cut down slowly but surely. Trust me, you're gonna get there. You understand? So it's like protein is a one big fat myth. Okay? So this is all I'm bringing for today. If you like this video, I think we're gonna end the video for us. I think I'm gonna end the video. Come. If you like this video, okay. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
If you like this video,
If you give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Bye.
bye. Rasta.
Bye.